standard programmed crisis braking on most Nissan Sentra models this year supplements blended security scores. The enormous news this year for the 2018 Nissan Sentra is the incorporation of programmed crisis braking on all programmed prepared autos and a rear-view camera. Those propelled highlights procure at a point better than expected, however we take one back for a 4-star general score from the feds and land at a 6 for security. Past programmed crisis braking, each Sentra is outfitted with 6 airbags including front and backside effect shade airbags. Footing and solidness control frameworks are standard, and blind side screens are accessible on SR trim levels, or standard on the SL review. The Sentra incorporates reasonable highlights. For example, a simple fill tire ready that sounds the horn when the tires are legitimately swelled and great outward vision on account of a low belt line. This gives the Sentra great checks in all crash testing performed up until now, yet it says that the little auto's headlights are appraised poor. Dissimilar to a portion of those contenders, the Nissan is quite clear about its expectations. It's a worker uncommon. The tall, upright look is a shelter to outward vision and headroom, however it's a little Poindexter, by our book. That doesn't look good for the SR Turbo and Nismo variations that were presented a year ago. Nissan offers an uprated Turbo 4 that enhances torque over the base Sentra powertrain, 188 strength to 124 horsepower, yet it's not as sensational as the numbers demonstrate. The SR Turbo and Nismo adaptations aren't as fun as the Sentra's old hypo version, the SER. It's the sort of auto that a large number of individuals utilize each day. Our rating of 5.5 is an impression of its normal capacities or more normal well-being frameworks, which are new for 2018. Those security upgrades incorporate standard programmed crisis braking on all models outfitted with a consistently factor-programmed transmission, CVT. The Sentra is offered in S, SV, SR, SL, SR Turbo, and Nismo trim levels.